Hello and welcome back everyone. In this clip I'll be showing you how to download the Pycharm application. So to do this you need to open up your web browser, go to Google and type in Pycharm, or you could just go straight to the JetBrains website by typing in jetbrains.com. Once you've done that, select the first link if you have typed it into Google, Pycharm, and then select download. From here you need to ensure that you've selected the correct operating system. So if you're using Windows, select Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Then you need to scroll below the community heading and select download. The community version is a free version and it's an open source version, whereas the professional version is a paid version. However, you can get a 1 to 3 months free trial. So once you've selected download, you'll be directed to the download window. Here you need to stay where you want to save the file and then select save. It should look something like this. You just need to double click on it and then follow the instructions. So here, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Of course you do. So select yes and then go to next. Here is the destination folder of where it will be installed. So select next. Here I am going to select update path variable. So add bin folder to the path as I want to run the Python code from the Windows terminal. Some of you might want to create a desktop shortcut. So those of you that would like to create a desktop shortcut, just select Pycharm Community Edition and then select next. Here, the folder that I would like is the JetBrains folder to be created. So leaving it in the default settings here and select install. Once the installation is completed, you will need to set up Pycharm. So you'll come across a window like this. You'll be given two options here, either to reboot your computer now or reboot it manually later on. I've chosen the second option and I'm going to select finish. The next step is to load Pycharm by selecting the shortcut you created if you didn't. Then from the start menu, select Pycharm and you will be taken to a window that looks like this. Welcome to Pycharm. Here you need to select new project, set the location, and then just go down and select create. Before we start writing our first program, I would recommend you to just change the font size. Some of you might want the font to be bigger, some of you might want it to be smaller. So to do this, all you need to do is go to File, select Settings, go to the editor, select Font, and from here you can change the font size. So what I'm going to do is change it to 18 and apply it, and as you can see in the background it has been applied. Also you can change the appearance and the themes for Pycharm. So as you can see, we can use the Windows 10 Lite version theme, but I'm just gonna leave it to the theme that it was on by default settings. Once you're happy with the settings, select OK. So as you can see, the font size has been changed to size 18. To test the program, all you need to do is select the run main or Shift plus F10 to run this program. Once you do run it, you will see a message appear here at the bottom, because all this program does is it prints Hi Pycharm at the bottom. Now all the settings are done, you're ready to write your first program. So it's time to move on to the next tutorial.